Hello everyone, it's me again, and for today's video I would like to share my unboxing of these watercolor brushes by Wonder Forest. I ordered these on her website and I'm excited to try. I will put her link down below for you to check out her YouTube channel and at the same time her Instagram account. DanaFox is one of my favorite artists in Instagram that I follow, and she launches her brushes collection last month only. And the reason why I get these watercolor brushes is because it is 100% synthetic and it has a razor sharp pointed tip and slim profile as what she described on her channel. She also launched her first book, Watercolor with Me in the Forest, which is really amazing book. It is on sale at Chapters Indigo here in our place. So the sizes of these are size 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. A set of 6 brushes, which is pretty good. After my unboxing, I will try painting using this brush, so let's open it and see. And this painting is included in the Watercolor with Me in the Forest. Wow, this is beautiful. And this is premium synthetic watercolor brush set. Wonder Forest said, as a watercolor artist and animal lover, I wanted to create a brush that not only performed superiorly but was made of 100% synthetic fibers. The bristles of these brushes are incredibly soft, absorbent, and as flexible as genuine 4-base brushes. So that's from DanaFox.